juggling between your payroll and accounting software. Integrating ADP with QuickBooks or Xero can eliminate double data entry and keep your general ledger perfectly in sync. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. First, within your ADP admin portal, look for the Integrations or Apps section. Search for the QuickBooks Online or Xero connector. You'll authorize the connection, which will prompt you to log into your accounting software to grant access. Next, you'll map your ADP payroll accounts, like wages, taxes, benefits, to the corresponding expense and liability accounts in your chart of accounts. You can also set up the integration to post summary or detailed journal entries after each payroll. My crucial pro tip: do a test run with a single payroll. Run a small, live payroll or use a reversal period. Check the resulting journal entry in QuickBooks or Xero to ensure the accounts and amounts are mapped correctly before processing a full payroll. That's how you create a seamless flow of financial data between your critical systems. Have you integrated other apps with your accounting software, or would this be your first time? Let me know in the comments. If tech guides that connect the dots help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.